Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical electronic drum set for music production, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from, electronic drum sets for music production, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electronic drum set for music production from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Roland VAD 504 Electronic Drum Set for Music Production. Experience the Roland VAD 504 Electronic Drum Set designed for music producers and drummers seeking a premium acoustic-like experience. This 4-piece kit features full-size wood shells with stunning midnight sparkle wraps and upgraded chrome stands for a traditional drum feel. Powered by the advanced TD27 sound module, the VAD 504 offers enhanced features and prismatic sound modeling from Roland's flagship TD50X, delivering rich, expressive sounds. It includes a 14-inch PD140DS digital snare, 12-inch VH14D digital hi-hat, and 18-inch CY18DR digital ride cymbal, providing high-resolution triggering and precise positional detection. With a 10-inch rack tom, 14-inch floor tom, and 20-inch kick drum, the VAD 504 offers a realistic playing experience. The kit also features a 14-inch CY14CT crash cymbal, an intuitive interface for sound editing, wave sample import via SD card, and a 28-channel USB audio interface for professional music production. Expand your setup with 3 auxiliary trigger inputs for added versatility. Number 2. Zildjian ALCHEM-E ZABEX Electronic Drum Set for Music Production. ZABEX. The Zildjian ALCHEM-E Electronic Drum Set offers a cutting-edge setup for serious drummers, combining Zildjian's 400 years of sonic expertise with advanced electronic features. This versatile kit includes a 14-5-inch snare, 2 10-4-inch toms, a 12-4-inch tom, and an 18-7.5-inch bass drum, all equipped with 3-zone capabilities for nuanced expression. The cymbal's 14-inch hi-hats, 16-inch crash, and 18-inch crash ride are integrated with the Zildjian trigger system for enhanced dynamic control, offering 360-degree touch choking. Powered by the eVault drum module, the ALCHEM-E provides access to a wide array of high-quality sounds and effects, perfect for any musical style. The comprehensive kit includes cymbal stands, tom mounts, a module stand, cables, and more, while also bundling essential accessories like a drum throne, 5-amp drumsticks, and a microfiber cleaning cloth for convenience. Number 3. HAMPBACK Electronic Drum Set for Music Production. The HAMPBACK ACE 530 Electronic Drum Set is a top-tier 9-piece kit that offers an ultra-realistic playing experience for serious drummers. Designed for authenticity and versatility, this set includes dual-zone mesh drum pads, chokeable crash cymbals, a physical hi-hat stand, a genuine kick pedal, and a 3-zone ride cymbal, giving you the feel of an acoustic drum kit with the benefits of advanced electronic technology. With 948 sounds and over 70 drum kits to choose from, plus 15 practice songs, the ACE 530 allows you to explore a wide range of styles. The user-friendly LCD display and fader volume control make it easy to adjust settings, while Bluetooth connectivity lets you sync with external devices. Built to last, the ACE 530 features a rugged bass drum with a specially developed material tested for durability and cymbals that replicate the natural response of acoustic drums. Enjoy seamless setup and disassembly with its patented quick-release structure, perfect for gigs or practice sessions. Number 4. Eastar Electronic Drum Set for Music Production. The Eastar EDS 485B Electronic Drum Set is an ideal choice for both beginner and intermediate drummers, offering a complete, full-size setup that includes everything you need to get started. This high-quality drum kit features a 22-inch bass drum, 12-inch and 10-inch 7-inch mounted toms, a 14-inch 5.5-inch snare, and a 16-inch floor tom along with 14-inch hi-hat and 16-inch straight cymbals. Crafted from poplar wood, the drums provide excellent sound and vibration, with premium drum heads designed for superior resonance and tonal clarity. The set comes with sturdy, durable components, including an iron ring bass drum lug and electroplated hi-hat stand capable of supporting up to 330 pegs. The easy-to-assemble kit includes a bass pedal, wooden drumsticks, and an adjustable drum throne. Eastar offers a 12-month product guarantee and reliable customer service, ensuring a satisfying experience for all musicians. Number 5. Donner Electronic Drum Set for music production. The Donner DDS 520 Electronic Drum Set is a complete package for beginners and intermediate drummers, offering everything you need to start playing right out of the box. This full-size drum kit includes durable drums, hardware, cymbals, a drum throne, and a pair of drumsticks, providing excellent value for your money. Designed with a built-in silencer system, this kit is perfect for practicing without disturbing others, helping you improve your skills in peace. The 6-ply 9M poplar hardwood shells offers superior sound quality and easier tuning, while the hand-cut 45-degree bearing edge ensures excellent resonance. The double-legged plated stand provides outstanding stability, supporting up to 330 bins. The upgraded bottom drum tread hammer offers high sensitivity and a smooth rebound, ensuring a satisfying playing experience. With its sturdy construction and thoughtful design, the Donner DDS 520 drum set is the ideal choice for drummers who need quality, performance, and versatility in one package. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.